Give that to me. Give it. Give it. Give me that bag of fire.
Landon, where's your dinosaurs? Where'd they go?
Give me that. His pants.
No, they got little frogs on them. They're so cute.
Oh, those cute clothes and jiggle the baby.
You see more? You got more.
Is that a dinosaur? Hey, Brown.
He's so cute.
Hey, Brown. Brown. There's Roland.
Is your dinosaur eating my alphabet? I just made that.
Ew.
I didn't make that.
I didn't make that. Look at his face.
Your birthday.
Look, Landon.
It's his birthday? Sing happy birthday to the dinosaur?
Happy birthday to you. Let me have it? Okay. Say, rah.
Why?